नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका ज्ञान अधिकार चैनल पर स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम टॉप 20 जीके क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। कोशिश करिए कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रश्नों के सही उत्तर दे पाएं। आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। ज्ञान अधिकार, ज्ञान करे सपना साकार। सेंट्रल राइस रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इज लोकेटेड एट विच सिटी? Answer is 3. Where is located Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering in India? Answer is 1. National Institute of Nutrition is situated at? Answer is 2. The Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is located at? Answer is 4. National Center of Organic Farming is located at which city? Answer is 1. The Central Road Research Institute is located at? Answer is 2. The Central Electrochemical Research Institute is situated at? Answer is 4. National Aeronautical Laboratory is situated at? Answer is 1. Where is National Institute of Unani Medicine situated? Answer is 3. Where is National Institute of Virology situated? Answer is 2. Where is located Tea Board in India? Answer is 3. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is located at which city? Answer is 1. Indian Agriculture Research Institute is situated at? Answer is 4. Central Sugarcane Research Institute is situated at? Answer is 2. National Dairy Research Institute is located at? Answer is 3. Where is National Institute of Homeopathy? Answer is 1. Where is the National Institute of Ayurveda in India? आंसर इज 3. Where is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences situated? Answer is 1. Where is the Forest Research Institute situated? Answer is 2. Where is the Central Fuel Research Institute situated? आंसर इज 1. वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग जनरल नॉलेज के लिए देखते रहिए ज्ञान अधिकार। धन्यवाद। ज्ञान अधिकार, ज्ञान करे सपना साकार।